Bakit? Paano matutulog ka? Paano ka matutulog?
Wala ka, kaunti sila. Lima lang ba yan? Lilimain ako. Patak yan. Amin na yan. Wala si Katarin mo.
Ano si Matsu? Wala.
May chart siya tayo eh.
Di ba Friday na sa Manila?
Friday nga ngayon. Friday ngayon. Hindi yan yung pastor yung tatay. Yun lang. Pastor. Ano sa pinting natin natin?
Ano?
Init na.
Kaya nyo na yung isa. Ay,
Walang kapalitan. TJ.
TJ.
Shout out, Francis. Panalo ang team mo. Third place kayo, Francis.
Layo mo na nilipatan yung bakit. Palayusin mo na din.
Kapagod, mainit pa naman.
Okay, game number 1.
Di ba 10 sila?
Nasaan
yung iba?
Centaurs versus Dragons. First one to the center court.
Patay doon na ang player.
Okay. Good luck, both teams. Ay, nakabulang ang mga player na walang tubig pag ginaasa sa COVID. Ay, nakaklase. Ay, thank you, Dr. Sir. Garcia, Dr. Sir, sa COVID. Nakabulang.
Ay, what?
Okay, game time. First corner. First ball. Good luck, both teams. Okay, this is the presentation mga panatata. Focus sa laro. Complete tapos lang. Walang tawag tayo kasi champion din tayo.
Ano pangalan?
Alam.
Sample ko din Santuario at Siren Reyes. Contact by Santuario. Last touch. Benedict Serrano. Seniors basketball. Lucen Garcia at the Faisal Ayudi. Back to Lucen Garcia. Santuario. Almost interception. Recovered by Faisal. Side step. Up to Batcheller. Recovered by Faisal Ayudi. In and out. Rebound by Peña. The side of the block. Siren Reyes. Right here, baseline, pull up. Short. Rebound by Jared Miranda. Take out the Benedict Serrano. 5 seconds to shoot. Benedict Serrano to the line. Open. Rebound Santuario. Inside pass to
Sayang.
Strong. Rebound Brian. Jared Miranda pull up 2. 2 points, Jared Miranda. First 2 points of the championship game. Faisal Ayudi. Lucian Garcia pull up 3.
Short.
Elbow.
Short.
Dragons basketball. Welcome to our game number 1, Mr. Jeff Miranda. Another photo sponsor tomorrow night. Sarah Reyes pull up two. Short. Alin.
Yan takbo.
Push control of the ball. Drives in. Side step.
Aha.
Out balance. Traveling violation.
Travel.
Yan.
Travel basketball.
Side.
This is game number 1 of the championship series. Impulse versus Dragons. Dragons by 2 points. Benedict Tirado sweeping the play. Siren Reyes, Kyle Peña, baseline 3. Air ball, rebound by Siren Reyes. Dragons, Kyle Peña. Left hand of the score. 2 points, Kyle Peña. Nice assist, Siren. Lucian Garcia sweeping the play. Dragons, no! There's a foul. Number 6. Miranda, first personal foul. Miranda, first team foul. Dragon. Young on the free throw line. First throw. Senator Leon. In and out. Oh, there's a foul. Richard foul. Number 6 again, Jared Miranda, second personal. Pass ball. Baseline inbound. Ilocan inbound to Sacuario. Sacuario baseline. Ah! There's a Richard foul.
Ah!
Yes.
Having foul number 6. Time out, Dragons. Number 6, Benedict Tirado. First team foul, Dragons. Okay, 6 minutes 55 seconds first quarter, 4-1, 3.3 Dragons, but Dragons have already 3 fouls. Ano ba?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What is this? Thank you, Malupay.
Wow.
200. Sa akin na ba ito? Sa akin na tapos ko sa akin na ito.
Ang lakas mo talaga, Rocky. Ang lakas mo talaga.
Salamat Malupay family. Our food sponsor, Tony at Tokoro. Sakurio, Trapo.
Wow!
Jared Miranda side step. Siren Reyes using the ball and 2 ball. Ayuni, side step. Floater, nice floater by Faisal Al-Yudri. 6-5, 1-point Dragon, Kyle Peña, setting the play. Benedict Tirado, up to Kyle Peña, pull up, free throw line, in and out, rebound, Siren Reyes, shot, took the ball, foul rebound. Lucian Garcia, crossover, back to Faisal Al-Yudri, side step, back to nice assist, Faisal Al-Yudri. 10-step on, 7-6, 1.2 seconds. 5 minutes, 35 seconds, first quarter. Back to Dragon. Dragons by 2 for 3. version tayo. Pagka-silent ball. Benedict. Joey. Silent, take it and shoot. Pull up, baseline. Strong, Joey. Rebound. Kind of take that baseline. Back to Canada. 3-point line. No basket. Shout out to John. To Silent Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a foul. Dalawang pick and free throw siya. Tignan po tayo. Gonzales, 21 seconds. Oh, wala ang pick and free throw sa uniform. Okay, 2 free throws tayo. For Siren Raiders. First throw. Ball is in. Second throw. Two for two. Siren Raiders. 2-point lead Dragons. 4 minutes 20 seconds. Faisal Al-Yid. Baseline pull up. Shot, rebound, last touch. Offensive foul. Saguayo. Francis Polanco. One step too many. Karen Miranda drives in, goes to the ball, 2 points. Karen Miranda increasing the lead to 4-39. Faisal Al-Yid. Kosovo, kick out to Pangkakanan. Almost intercepted. Intercepted by Timothy Tirado. 100 layup, using the ball, 2 points, Timothy Tirado. Increasing the lead to 6-59. Saguayo, Faisal Al-Yid, 3-point line. Short. Ball up by Saguayo. Ball taken by Siren Reyes. Drop it down. 2 points down. Increasing the lead to 8-17 now. For the Bucks, 10 seconds. First quarter, 1. Are you ready? Oh, there's a foul. Who's foul? Number 9. Ryan. Penalty. No free throws after that. Pagkakalan. Number 10. Second throw, Cyril Reyes. Super throw, Cyril Reyes. 19-11, 8.3, 1 minute 40 seconds. First quarter. Second one, submission third. Right side, shooting. Goes over, nice. Takes right jump. Starting coming to 6, 19-13, 1 minute 25 seconds. First quarter. Gary Miranda. Right down. Right down. Drop to Gary Miranda. Zero to go. Baseline Gary. Short. Recover by Gary Miranda. The back finish. Stop. Kick. Miranda. 10 seconds to shoot. Sharon Reyes. 3.5. Offline. 4 seconds by Ayudin. 1-on-1 play. Ayudin versus Reyes. Drop to Marron.
Ay!
Rebound by Gary Miranda. Zion. Tie.
Wow!
Central basketball. 37 seconds. 6.8 Rebels. Faisal Anjali. Crossover. Drop to Sakwan. Sakwario.
Nice pass!
15 seconds. Sarah. Short. Rebound sa 43 seconds.
Ay!
This is game number 1. Championship Series. Thank you sa ating mga sponsor. Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsor. Today, Captain Acosta, German, Tres Peña, Benedict Tirado, Don Leon, Malomari Family, at Reyes Family siguro ang susunod. Dragons Basketball. Okay, back to the moment, second quarter. Dragons Basketball. 4-point lead Dragons. Second quarter. Keep line. Short. Too short, 3-1 by Kyle. Back to Kyle. Got it. Pull up. Miranda, 2 points. A stop. 3.9. On Recovered of kickball. Simple. 5-point lead, 23-18. 14 seconds on clock. Jari. Jairo, back to Jari, Tokay. Benedict, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot na pala. Jari. Rebound by John Yoko. Steve Faisal, floater. Rebound by Faisal. Second try. Using the 2 points. Faisal Al-Yudi. Cutting the lead to 23-20, 7 minutes, 45 seconds. Benedict. Simon. 3-point line. Race 3 ball. Faisal. Stop. Looks at 3-point line. Almost. Rebound by Jared Miranda. Benedict Tirado controlling the ball. Intercepted by Santiago. For the play. Here's number 9. Raiders.
Walang hawak. Ahead na siya.
Bonus throw sa Zach Warrior.
Let's go. Get the ball.
In and out. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes drives in. There's an exit foul. Boss with his foul. Foul number 3. First personal foul by Saladin. Reyes, bonus throw. 3-point play Reyes, increasing the lead to 5, 27-22, 6 minutes, 50 seconds, second quarter. Lucian. Drives in. Roman. In and out. Rebound by Michael Pena. Possible play comes in on the top. Conceron. Jared. Pull up 2. Ang ganda ng bitaw ni Jared Miranda. Oh, nakikita ni Jared Miranda. Nagpapasisip Miranda.
Diyan, nandyan. Depensa! Ay!
Anali.
Good.
10 seconds to shoot. Oh,
Grabe.
lacking foul. Number 11, Jared Tigyo. First personal foul. Jared Tigyo, second foul. Second.
Oh.
Second one.
Dapat di pinatanggal.
Undergoal 2 points. 21-24, 7-23 Dragon. Zero. Triple line. Strong. Rebound by John Leno.
Chalice, no pushing.
Drop 2.
Nice.
Using the ball. 2 balls, Lucian Garcia. Ating galing to 5, 31-26. Kyle, pull up 2. Almost rebound by Taylor. Reyes, 3-point line. Left-handed, cursing the ball. Short long on rebound. Nice job by David. Drives inside step, grab to Zach Warrior. Second try, Zach Warrior.
Mataas lang ang kamay, Rep.
Time out.
Mataas lang ang kamay.
Mandatory substitution na tayo. Pero may timeout ang Dragons. 3-point lead Dragons. Coming up, bonus throw sa Warriors. Timeout Dragons. Maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga sponsor today. And Chris Peña, Benedict Tirado, Jumio Ron, Captain ng Costa, at Malubay Family. Kailangan pa namin ng tatlong sponsor. Kulang pa ng tatlo.
Dalawa na lang, ikaw yung isa. Tatlo na.
Tatlo ng Marco Siren. Benedict Tirado, 2 personal fouls. Miranda, 2 personal fouls. O ang foul total ng Team Dragons ngayon. Bonus throw coming up, San Warrior. Three-point play San Warrior. Dating lagi to 2-31-29. 5 minutes. Time. Silent. Right hand. Take out the cutter. Pull up to him. Smart. Foul. Foul rebound by San Warrior.
Tatlo na.
Tirado, 3 personal foul.
Sabay sa talunan.
Foul trouble na ngayon.
Taas lang ang kamay. Taas lang ng kamay, foul.
San Warrior first throw. Bonus in.
Wala na.
Relax lang. Huwag lang kayo, cool.
Second throw, San Warrior. 2-2 San Warrior.
All, deadlock.
First, second deadlock of the day. 31. 4 minutes, 35 seconds, second quarter. Karen Reyes, for the push. In and out, rebound by San Warrior.
Sabay, tignan.
Okay, San Warrior, grab to Valencia. Kakakas, almost cut. San Warrior. 10 minutes off, 31, sentence by 2. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Halfway up. Five minutes to Garrett Miranda. St. Louis basketball. Three minutes, 50 seconds, second quarter, Faisal Al-Yudis.
Lapitan mo, Kai.
Hold up three. Shoot, San Warrior, foul rebound, San Warrior.
Foul. Huwag din sabayan sa talunan.
Ay, Peña. Jared. Tirado Benedict, that's a foul. Valencia. Two free throws coming. Benedict Tirado. First throw. Offline. Second throw. Losing the ball. 1 point Benedict Tirado. Starting the game to 3, 35-32, 3 minutes, 15 seconds. This is game number 1. The best of Dragons versus Centaurs. Someone to take second center. Faisal.
Offensive.
Offensive foul.
So clear.
Dragons basketball. Second personal foul. Faisal.
Kunay lang.
2 minutes, 47 seconds. Second of the first Silent. Take the foul. 3 points. Third set at the game. 35, 2 minutes, 25 seconds.
Ay, double. Double na.
Faisal. Parrobo. Rebound by Tyron. Torres.
Push.
By Faisal. size 10, February 2 points, Faisal Al-Jadid. 2-point lead, Zilton. 25 seconds, Derek. 100 shots. There's a holding foul. Number 20, Carlo Paroma. Substitution, Garcia for RBD. 1 for penalty. Both teams are zero. Both teams 1 for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Derek, Cerro, baseline 3. Score. Rebound, Moses Garcia. Kontak sa kanan. Jatuh Koy Paromo. Upanan sa Paromo. Bola
Nice!
Paromo.
Wala!
Increasing the lead to 4. 39. Bahid. Sarah. Baseline. Bola.
Gosh! Ay!
Ayan na nila yan.
2.8 seconds, 38 seconds, quarter. Benedict, Zyron, back to Benedict. Sarah. Benedict, drives in. There's a missing foul. Number 8, Lucian Garcia, penalty. Two free throws, Benedict. Losing the ball, 1 point Benedict. Second throw.
Dapat sa baba, ha? Ayun yung may ano dito, pero sa may kanto.
Shot. Make up. I make up.
Get the ball! Airball!
7, almost at the second. Covered by Patchen.
Oh! Wala na. Maraming time.
It is game number 1 of the Prince of Dream Championship Series. Maraming salamat sa ating sponsor, AMB, Chairman, Chris Berna, Derek Francis Gerardo, Jomia Bob, Captain Acosta, and Kalumay family. At yung mga gusto pa mamamol, open na ito ang ating sponsorship. Ito na si Florian, baka magbibigay na ito. Magbibigay mo.
Ointment.
Gagagutin mo na ka. Mamaya namin sponsor. Okay, half time, break time. 30 minutes break time.
na to? Masarap kasi mag-iga dun eh. Parang, ay na, baka na gano'n. Ayun! Cellphone! Cellphone! Pag walang internet, ano mo?
Faisal. 102 points. Increasing the lead to 745. Benedict. Siren. Put up to one.
Yes!
Foul. Number 30, Leon.
Crazy.
Number 3, that's your ball.
Ay, number 3, are you there? Sorry. Ayan, taking their personal foul. Reyes for the score. Portland 45, 4.3 seconds. Lotion 3.9. Rebound. Zion withdraw. Benedict goes to the floor. Recovered by Kyle Frega. Faisal.
Dumudulas. Dumudulas siya.
2 points, Faisal and the lead. 6 lead. 47-41. Benedict. Simon. Simon Reyes using the ball. 2 points. That is the lead of 4. Faisal. Look on. Faisal and the lead. Tirado. Controlling the ball. Gary Durant at 3-point line. Short. Rebound by South Borgo. Side step.
Ay, mahina.
Ball get up. Last touch. Who's last touch left? Same ball.
Aspat siya.
14 seconds to shoot. Jared Miranda. Faisal.
Tira.
Rebound high. Strong. Rebound by Young. Baseline tirado.
Ay!
Game number 1 for the Baseline Team Championship.
Ah, okay.
Wala ko nga
Score,
tapos ng
51-43.
Courtesy of Chairman Rex Peña.
51-43 ang score. Lamang.
Benji Tirado, Joe Leon, Balotay Family, ang ating sponsor kanina sa pa-shoot out, 300 reals, Captain Verde Agustan. Pero siyang 200, masyamat sa kababayan, may konti. Kaya pa mo guys, si Captain Agustan, 200 reals para sa kababayan.
Baligtad na shoot, pwede.
Ramos Justin Bar. Seven Reyes. Drives in 2 points. Starting the lead to 4, 51. 47.
Drive siyan.
Upuin pala kanina. Serrano. Reyes. Pull up baseline. Basket. Number 16.
Machier.
Bachelor. Bachelor, ilang taon yung Bachelor? First is the ball, Bachelor. Faisal. Mario. Speed. Rebound by Reyes. Jared. Crossover. Drives it. Almost. Foul number 16. Bachelor, second personal foul, 6 minutes, 6 seconds. Coming up 2 free throws, first throw, Jared Miranda. Ergo. Third big foul centers, 4-point lead. Center. Second throw, Jared Miranda, no basket, rebound, Sampdoria. Faisal, crossover, drop the Sampdoria, 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Side step underneath. Take over the underneath. Drop to throw. Cross against Calibration. 5 minutes, 33 seconds. Collect tayo, running time lang, 4.6 seconds. Controlling the ball.
51-47. Lawahang 10 points. 5 minutes lang.
Jared. Back to Benedict. 7. Pull up 2 points. Starting the lead to 2. 51-49. 5 minutes. Second foul. Crossover move. Faisal, side step. Back by Reyes. Recover by Faisal. To Bachelor. Oh, basket. Shot warrior. 8 seconds to shoot. Pull up 2 by shot warrior. Increasing the lead to 4. 53-49. Benedict. Turn to shoot. High finger. Drives it. Pull up. Strong. Rebound by Jordan Hitler. Faisal. Side step. There's a ball. Number 6, Benedict Tirado. Mandatory substitution. Benedict Tirado, 4 personal foul.
Apat ka na.
Substitution, mandatory substitution.
Wala kang institution.
Captain number 10. Pandangan. First, pandangan. Hirap kita ng first. Second throw, Faisal. First throw, basket is in. Ball is in. Second throw. Faisal increasing the lead back to 6, 55-49. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Third quarter, Benedict Tirado. Third personal foul na po si Benedict Tirado.
Sarado, ganda ka, sarado! Ayun na, malaki bunga!
3 minutes, 30 seconds, third quarter. South Korea. Three-point line. Reyes, three-point line. Offline, rebound by Kyle Vega. Up, let's get around the increasing the lead to 7, 53, calling it 15 seconds. And that's a kick by first time from the Navan to place in the lead. Thomas Smith, rebound by Zach Warrior. Put back. Zach Warrior. 62-53, 9-point lead, simple. Benedict. Got it. Jairon, 3-point line. Strong rebound by Kyle Vega. Kick out to Benedict, to Reyes, back to Vega. 5 to shoot. Reyes, 2 points. Cutting the lead to 7, 62-55, 2 minutes. Third quarter. Wario. Faisal. 8 to shoot. Pull up 2. No basket. Rebound by Simon Pizzo. To Benedict Serrano. Going to play. Benedict Serrano. Drop to Kyle Vega. Drop by Faisal. Going to by Faisal. Faisal. Spin. No basket. Rebound by Jaron Pizzo. Jaron Miranda, drop to Kyle Peña, uses the ball, 2 points, Kyle Peña. Counting the lead to 5, 62-57, 1 minute, 13 seconds. South Korea. Aquario 3-point line. Almost rebound by Siren Tito. Rebound na po si Tito. Number 11 rebound by Tito. Siren Reyes 3-point line. 3-point Siren Reyes cutting the lead to 2. 62-60. 43 seconds. Ganda ng laban. 2.3 from Rosing Boys. Higher lead. Controlling the ball. Speed, floater, stroke, rebound by Anthony. 3-point line baseline, short, another rebound by Tito, rebound by Tito.
Ay, malaki!
6 seconds, 5, 3, 2, pasok na pasok sa oras.
Pasok.
65-60.
Sabi ng pasok. Tumunog na.
Basket. Kitang-kita sa replay.
Replay, Jess!
Replay.
Replay.
Okay, coming fourth quarter, final quarter. Game number 1, best of 3 series. Wala pong alis, may lunch ko tayo. Sponsored by Chairman Chris Peña, Benji Gerardo, Joe Diogo, Maluma de Family, and our shout out sponsor, 300 reals, Captain Fernie Acosta. At meron pang partial out sa mga babae, 200 reals again from Captain Acosta. Simulan natin, Captain Acosta.
Kapilitan.
Back to the ball game. Final quarter. Dragons basketball. Dragons basketball, fourth quarter. 5 points in goals.
Yun lang, oo. Walang orasan yun. Init, grabe.
Game time. Fourth quarter.
Maghatid pa kami. Maghatid kami. Quarter to po.
Okay, final quarter, 12 minutes. Regulation time. Let the
Pala,
play time
gabi.
per player, 4 minutes.
Ano ko umaga?
Kyle Peña to Benedict Tirando. Zion. Under goal. Zion, baseline. Short. Rebound by Bachelor. Valencia.
Ay!
Aguilera controlling the ball. Aguilera using the ball. 2 points. Faisal Ali.
Galing naman talaga.
Reyes. 2 points, Reyes. 5-point lead, Seahawks. 11 minutes, 19 seconds. Final quarter. Faisal Ali. Usap Wario. 10 seconds to shoot. One step two, winning. Dragons basketball.
Meron doon kinalayo. Masakit ba? Ang aga ano kaya?
Jared to Benedict Tirano. Reyes pull up 2. 2 points, Reyes cutting the lead to 3, 67-64. 10 minutes, 30 seconds, final quarter. Sakwaro. Looking for 10 minutes. 10 seconds on that. Paglahanan dapat baru 3-point line. Short, 3-point by Kyle Peña.
Ay! Yun lang. Ay! Ay! Nakakatakot.
Jairo Video. Jairo Miranda, Reyes, 3-point line, offline. Ball taken by Tijo. Jairo Miranda using the board. Now basket, rebound Sakwayo.
Wala.
Sakwayo.
Wait lang.
Basket, 2 points, Sakwayo.
Ay. Wait.
Injury timeout.
Dapat na agad dyan.
9 minutes, 30 seconds, final quarter.
Yung spray, nandun kila Ryan. Eman.
Sige, balik naman natin at track round.
Ayan, oh. Meron silang spray. Nakakaiba yung spray mo.
7 point leads indoors, 71-64, 9 minutes, 30 seconds, final quarter. Okay, game time.
Naglaro kasi.
Pakitabi lang po muna sa Faisal.
Naglaro siya kasi kanina.
Pakitabi lang muna. Pakitabi lang konti.
Naglaro muna. Naglaro pa siya kanina.
Watch for Ryan. Okay, back to the ball game. Final quarter, 9 minutes, 30 seconds. Tirado and down to Samuel Reyes.
Kaya mo yan!
Reyes strikes it off to his foul. Number 8, Lucian Garcia.
Siyan.
Inbounding Jacob de Jong.
Tira ka! Tira!
Strong rebound by
Push!
Lucian Garcia for the court. Side step. Blocked by Garcia. Recovered by up. Last touch. Last touch Bachelor. Dragons basketball. 71-64, 7.3 seconds, 8 minutes, 53 seconds. Benedict Tirado. Silent break.
Talagang palimutan mo yung Reyes.
Foul number 14. Valencia.
Valencia.
Bonus throw, Reyes. 4.8 seconds. 71-67. Lucia. Stop body off. Number 20, Kyle Pena. Holding foul. Second throw, Aquario. First throw, bonus hit. Two South Aquario. Increasing the lead back to 6, 73-67. 8 minutes, 28 seconds. Final quarter.
Manim.
Benedict Tirado.
Darang galaw!
Sarang tinandaan. After Kyle Pena.
Hawak ninyo!
Recovered by Sarang Tito. Kyle Pena. Tirado. Drives in. Telcom. In and out, 3-1 by San Aquario.
Push.
Lucian Garcia. All along passing there to Pangdamana. Benedict Tirado. There's a foul. Blocking foul. Number 16, Bachelor. Substitution. Substitution. Sige, pasok. Pasok. Pwede na tayo mag-sub, ha? Thank you, Reyes, 3-point line.
Buha bola!
Strong, ball tap by Benedict Tirado to Jared Miranda. No basket, Sancario.
Baba! Ano bola?
Ball taken by Kyle Pena. To Jared Miranda, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Final quarter. 6.8 seconds. Benedict Tirado. 3-point line.
Yes!
Having the lead to 73-70. Lucian Garcia drives in, floater, blocked by Jared Miranda. Ball taken by Jared. All along, Kyle Pena. Lucian
Yes!
72. 6 minutes, 25 seconds, final quarter. Draw Leon. Lucian Garcia, ball taken by offensive foul. Number 13, draw. Leon, timeout, Sintor. 6 minutes, 45 seconds, final quarter. Warning for penalty, Sintor. Mr. Eman Garcia, ang sponsor ng tubig, inaubos na.
Ha?
Kumuha pa tayo kasi 200 din ang monte, sayang. Umorder pa tayo ng tubig.
200.
Sayang ang 200 per bottle.
Dalawa pa lang yata yan. Kahapon kagabi isa. Tapos ngayon dalawa. Para bukas yung iba doon.
Reyes. Benedict Tirado. Ten seconds shut up. 5 seconds.
Ayan na.
Faisal.
Wow!
2 points Faisal.
Ayan.
Dari Beraka.
Ay, nako.
Sakwanda. Speed.
Ay!
Losing the ball. Rebound by Jairo Tigo. Number 15 rebound by Jairo Tigo. Jairo Tigo. Rebound defense again number 1. 15 rebound by Jairo Tigo. Benedict Tirado. 3-point line. Strong rebound dari Beraka. Santo. Timeout Dragons. Centaurs basketball.
Wala ng centers.
Timeout Dragons. 3-point lead Centaurs. 5 minutes 31 seconds. Final quarter. Maraming salamat sa ating sponsor, Mr. Eman Garcia.
Wow! Waterboy.
Marami pa yan. Kumuha lang kayo dito ng tubig, 200 real per bottle.
200.
Back in the ball game, final quarter, 5 minutes 31 seconds. Centaurs by 3.2.
Pinadala yan. Joke lang.
This is game number 1, the first of 3 championship series. Pinipitan ko ang lahat bukas, 6:30 p.m. Game number 2. Plus awarding ceremony. Plus shootout. Sakit sa nito. Ali. Baseline pull-up. Strong. Rebound by Carlos Fernandez.
Ay! Yun lang.
Number 9, Reyes. Reyes 4 personal foul. Dalawa na po ang warning for graduation sa Tranos. Reyes ang Tirado. Throw free throws sa Aquario. First throw, 14. Increasing the lead to 4, 76-72. Second throw sa Aquario.
Ay, lumabas.
In and out. Tirado, controlling the ball.
76-72.
5 seconds. Right in. Back to Tane Miranda. Strong rebound by Sacuario. Sacuario for the point play. Desperation. 2 points Sacuario. Increasing the lead back to 6. 78-72. 4 minutes, 49 seconds. Final quarter. Tane Reyes. Benedict Tirado, 3-point line. Using the board. Offline. Rebound by Sacuario. Sacuario increasing the lead to 8, 80-72, 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Mahaba pa yan. Tirado, Reyes. Oh, there's a foul. Number 8, Lucian Garcia. Penalty ang Centaurs. Third personal foul, Lucian Garcia. 2 free throws, Reyes. First throw. Offline.
Take one. Hinga.
Second throw, Reyes.
Oh my God.
No basket. Warrior controlling the ball. Faisal Ayuri. 3-point line, short, rebound by Darren Miranda to Benedict Tirado. Benedict Tirado. Right inside step, losing control, ball taken by Faisal Ayuri. Faisal Ayuri throws on that, throwing over. Rebound by Benedict. So Benedict Tirado. Benedict Tirado. 2 points, Benedict Tirado, cutting the lead to 6, 18-74, 3 minutes, 35 seconds. Final quarter. Faisal Ayuri. On Reyes on one with Sacuario Reyes. There is a foul. Number 23, Sacuario. 2 free throws coming for Reyes. Substitution.
Huwag mo na siya, no?
Faisal Ayuri. Baka siguro nagpuyat ka kagabi, kulang sa tulog, kaya yan, inarap ka. Nagpapawis ka kung kita. Okay. Bigyan na ng sabit. Ilabas mo na. Pwede yung Ryan Guzman, pakibuhat mga si Faisal Ayuri sa bench. Ryan Guzman, second throw, Reyes. Humberto Reyes, cutting the lead to 4, 18-76, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, final quarter. Lucian Garcia controlling the ball. Drives in, kick out to throw him on. 10 seconds shot clock. Lucian, 3-point line. Strong rebound by Valencia. Valencia, nice play. Blocked by Miranda. Number 14, Dwayne Valencia.
Ay, sayang. Penalty pa naman.
Sabi Miranda. Valencia, Dwayne, third. First throw coming for Darren Miranda. Short.
Take one, Darren.
The second throw, Darren. He's strong. Rebound Sacuario. He still signals by 4-point lead. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Lucian Garcia. Holding foul number 11. Jairo Siglo.
Nasa bahay ka na? Kumain ka na?
Okay. Okay. Ang palag tayo. 14 increasing the lead back to 82-76. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. David Tirado. Siren
Wow!
Penalty foul.
Penalty kayo.
Foul number 14, Dwayne Valencia, and foul. Substitution. Ayudin for court Barongo. 6-14. 2 free throws coming. For Reyes. 6-14. Simple. 4 minutes, 31 seconds. First throw Reyes. Short.
Big one!
Andito na si Mr. Bravo. May dala ka bang pagkain? Kanina kumaga yun. Ubus na, magdala ka ulit.
Magdala ko.
Reyes. 2 best free throws by Reyes. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Final quarter. Faisal Ayuli. Lucian drives in. Ball taken by Santonio. Put back to the top quarter. Increasing the lead. 84-78. 10 seconds. Final quarter. Siren Reyes, ball at 2. Strong. Ball taken by Lucian Garcia.
Oy!
Garcia drives in. Strong. Valencia pull back. Number 8, Lucian Garcia. Fourth personal foul, Lucian Garcia. 2-point lead, Senor. 1:55 seconds, final quarter. Very strong drive right now.
Ay, sorry.
Yes, one more! Take one!
Starting the lead to 7, 84-77. Second throw.
55
At
seconds.
final throw for Kyle Peña. 2-point Kyle Peña. Starting the lead to 6, 84-78. 1 minute, 54 seconds. Final quarter. Mahaba pa ang oras. 6.8 lang yan. Paisa na. Also, your second throw. Dragons basketball. 1 minute, 41 seconds.
Penalty. Penalty. Ay,
Tirado.
pero wala pa lang out.
Tirado.
Walang foul.
Reyes drives in. Pull up the guy. Short. Rebound by Siren Tito. Kyle Peña. That's high. Cutting the middle. To ball in the gap.
Shoot!
Okay, masakit by Reyes.
Ay! Sayang. Oh!
Ingat sa foul!
Penalty kayo. Huwag kayong mag-foul.
10 seconds to shoot. Torres. 3-point line. No basket. Torres, put back.
Ay!
Get the ball!
Ayan na. Nagka-cramps na rin yung isa.
Shoot. Up.
Ay, ano siya?
39 seconds.
Si Jared naman. Cramps na talaga sila.
Shot clock is 14 seconds. 6.8 seconds. 39 seconds. Okay, so basta Bravo. Malagit na. Ilipin mo. Ibalik mo na lang mamaya. O, anong oras na? May order naman ang lang natin. Ay, nandiyan na. O, mga bata. Sponsored by Chema, Quincy Tirado, Joe Jomar, Malumay Family, Cocktail, and the Acosta. po mga sponsor natin at mag-sponsor po ulit po kasama na. Mag-sponsor ulit yan sa video ng
86-80. Ang score, 86-80. 39 seconds na lang ang fourth quarter. Nakakangay. Dapat kasi meron pa namin. Meron ka mo na dito. Teka lang.
Huwag manggigil.
Yan ang sikreto ko.
Garcia,
Ah! Hee! Sabi niya pa uli. Sabi niya pa uli. Siya talaga yung apat. Ano ba talaga? Sabi niya,
Graduate pala siya.
dapat hindi siya ang pumaw. Siya ano. Oo, kasi apat na siya eh. Dapat si Kyle o kaya si ano.
apat na sila.
Apat na lang sila. Ano? 3 seconds yan.
3 seconds violation. Aba, kaya ko yung nakakaba pa yan. 3 seconds violation, 3 seconds violation.
Ay, 6 points lead lang yan.
Triple time. Foul by Pickup.
Yun lang. Penalty.
23 seconds. So, reverse cutting for Faisal Ayodin. No more timeout. Ayodin first throw.
Ah!
Meron po, meron.
Si Kuya Rem ko.
Rep ah. Sa babay.
Second throw, Ayodin.
Sa loaded, buhaya yan. Wala na.
Ay, wala. Pasok, parehas.
Meron pa.
Bilis lang. 3 points. 3 points lang yan. Ay, lumabas. Isa pa. Ay, kamot talaga.
Hawak, hawak.
Sige, tawid, tawid. Tira mo, Sian. Tira mo. Wow, coach. Congrats, Centaurs. Team number 1. Score 90, 83.
Number 2.
Team number 2 tomorrow.